Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 6th October 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 11 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World Smile Day is celebrated every year on. Answer is 6th October. World Smile Day is celebrated every year on 6th October. World Smile Day is a heartfelt global celebration dedicated to the simple yet powerful act of smiling. The theme for World Smile Day 2024 is Do an act of kindness, help one person smile. World Smile Day was started by Harvey Ball, the creator of the iconic smiley face symbol. Question number 2. What is India's rank in the field of foreign exchange reserve? Answer is 4th. India has become the 4th country in the world, after China, Switzerland, and Japan, with a foreign exchange reserve of more than $700 billion. China is the largest foreign exchange holder in the world, followed by Japan, Switzerland, and India. According to the latest figure released by the Reserve Bank of India, the country's total foreign exchange reserves were $704.89 billion as of 27 September 2024. Question number 3. Which country has agreed to hand over the Chagos Archipelago to Mauritius? Answer is United Kingdom. The United Kingdom and Mauritius have reached an agreement under which the United Kingdom will return the Chagos Islands and the atoll of Diego Garcia to Mauritius. This agreement marks the end of British colonialism on the African continent. The Chagos Archipelago comprises around 60 islands situated in the central Indian Ocean. It is about 500 kilometers south of Maldives. Question number 4. Who was the captain of the Mumbai team, which won the 2024-25 Irani Cup? Answer is Ajinkya Rahane. Mumbai won the 2024-25 season Irani Cup under its first innings lead over the rest of India. The Irani Cup is a first-class domestic cricket tournament held at the Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekana Stadium in Lucknow from 1st to 5th October 2024. This was the 16th Irani Cup title for the current Ranji champion in Mumbai. This year, the 2023-24 season Ranji champion Mumbai, led by Ajinkya Rahane, faced the rest of India, led by Rituraj Gaikwad. Question number 5. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated the Banjara Virasat Museum? Answer is Maharashtra. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Banjara Museum in Washim, Maharashtra on 5th October 2024. The four-story museum displays the rich heritage of the Banjara community and their legacies. Prime Minister Modi also paid floral tribute to the memorials of Banjara leaders Sant Sevalal Maharaj and Sant Ramrao Maharaj. At Washim, the Prime Minister launched several initiatives related to the agricultural and farming sector worth 23,300 crore rupees. Question number 6. 18th installment of the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi released to how many farmers? Answer is 9.5 crore farmers. On 5th October 2024, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has released the 18th installment of the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, worth about 20,000 crore rupees, directly into the bank accounts of around 9.5 crore farmers nationwide. The PM Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, on 24th February 2019. Eligible farmers are paid 6,000 rupees per year in 3 installments in their bank accounts. Question number 7. Which state government has instituted the Adi Gaurav Samman Award? Answer is Rajasthan. President Draupadi Murmu has presided over the Rajasthan government's first Adi Gaurav Samman Samaroh at Mangarh Dham in Banswara, Rajasthan, on 4 October 2024. The Tribal Regional Development Department of the Government of Rajasthan has instituted the Adi Gaurav Samman. The Samman has been divided into three categories: Adiratna Gaurav Samman, Adi Seva Gaurav Samman, and Adi Gramathan Gaurav Samman. Question number 8. How much loan has been sanctioned by ADB to Himachal Pradesh for tourism development? Answer is 162 million US dollars. The Asian Development Bank, ADB, announced on 2 October 2024 that it has sanctioned a 162 million US dollars loan to Himachal Pradesh. The loan has been provided to finance the state government's sustainable and inclusive tourism development project. It aims to revive the tourism economy in the 5 districts, Hamirpur, Kongra, Kullu, Mandi, and Shimla, which were badly affected during the pandemic. Question number 9. Who has launched his political outfit Jan Suraj Party? Answer is Prashant Kishore. Political strategist cum activist Prashant Kishore launched his political outfit Jan Suraj Party 2 years after he embarked on a campaign in Bihar to mobilize support for a new political alternative. As a political party, Jan Suraj would contest all 243 seats in the assembly elections in Bihar next year in October to November. The 47-year-old also named Manoj Bharti, a Madhubani-born former Indian Foreign Service officer, as working president of the party. Question number 10. Who was appointed as the new Director General of the Sports Authority of India, SAI? Answer is Sujata Chaturvedi. Sujata Chaturvedi has taken over as the Director General of the Sports Authority of India, SAI, succeeding Sandeep Pradhan, who completed his 5-year tenure on 30th September 2024. Chaturvedi, serving as the Sports Secretary of the Sports Ministry, assumed her new role on 1st October 2024. The Sports Authority of India was set up in 1984 to carry forward the legacy of the 9th Asian Games held in New Delhi in 1982. Question number 11. World Space Week is observed every year on. Answer is 4th to 10th October. World Space Week is an annual holiday observed from October 4th to 10th in over 95 nations throughout the world. For World Space Week 2024, the chosen theme is Space and Climate Change. The choice of dates was based on recognition of 2 important dates in space history: the launch of the first human-made Earth satellite, Sputnik 1, on 4th October 1957, and the signing of the Outer Space Treaty on 10th October 1967. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.